USD pairs. So first USD pair, the main USD pairs we usually trade is always mostly GPUSD and USD. So I'm going to talk about the USD pair that we personally trade. So currently GPUSD overall today was quite volatile after following interested decision from Bank of England, and they kept the same 0.1%, but there are talks that might go into negatives, and that was the bearish talk that actually made GP move all the way to as low as 1.28, but it didn't stay that for long, and then we had quite a strong momentum upwards, retesting the highs of yesterday highs of nearly 1.30, then fall again, and currently just above this 50 MA, and looking to just range right now. So in a ranging method right now, we're not really no clear trend right now. We're expecting price to keep at this level for now before the market before the market closes, which is our US market session will be closing about 10, and after that most likely there will be no more momentum in GP, but overall we can expect GP to tomorrow most likely is going to retest the highs of 1.30, and maybe tomorrow we could see a breakout of a 1.30. So closely watching how GP plans out tomorrow. Very strong bullish momentum on a short time frame. Let's go to longer time frame. Longer time frame as well, we have a strong bullish momentum. We can clearly see that GP has broken above this longer term downtrend line. This is a strong indication, the GP is ready to rise, and we could see GP going as I said, 1.3048 could be a next target for tomorrow for GPUSD. Let's quickly look at USD. So USD is similar after really testing the lows of 2 in the morning today, testing the lows of 1.1760. After testing the lows of 1.1741, then it started rising quite strongly right now. Again, currently still in uptrend, just broken above this 4-hour resistance, which was at 1.1812. Could see rising all the way back to 1.835, which is might see a resistance at this 50 EMA. But let's go to short time frame. On short time frame, we clearly see, euro is currently ranging right now. We can see that by the candle size. This is a strong indication. Usually this kind of market condition is a strong indicator that, a big momentum is coming. And as we already know that euro is an uptrend. So most likely the next momentum would be an uptrend. I could go as high as 1.1861. So we could see euro climbing as high as 1.861, retesting the highs of, 1.1878, which it was not long ago on 16th of September, which was yesterday. And then finally testing the highs of, the previous high, which has been 1.198 and 1.190, which euro is trying to test for quite a long time now. So euro has finally started a new uptrend. We can clearly see when if I zoom out, after a strong downtrend, finally euro is making new higher high. So this was a higher high, made a new higher high, currently ranging. Usually ranging market in an uptrend usually means that it's going to go upwards. So we closely watching how euro is planning out for next few days. Tomorrow is the last day, so we could see euro actually, and both GP and euro could rise quite high, about 50-60 pips, even 120 pips, or more than 100 pips could be easily could be seen tomorrow in these pairs. So next thing we're going to quickly cover is, does signals help? Of course, signals help because we are, when we send our signals, we analyze the market for our customers, and then that's why we send our signals. But again, it doesn't mean that you should completely rely on signals. What you should do is basically, look at those signals, go on the trading view chart, and analyze it yourself as well. So I understand it. Does it, go with the analysis you would have gone with. And if you think this analysis is wrong and you don't think it's going to go your way, you don't have to take that trade. That's why we, send educational purpose in our signals, because we want our clients to learn from our signals rather than just rely on it completely. So when do we send our signals, please go on TradingView chart or any, MT4 or any trading platform you personally use, and go check the trade out. Understand why we're sending that trade, because we do send a video with it. So you can always watch the video and understand. And if it goes with your analysis, yes, more than happy. You're more than welcome to take the trade. But if it doesn't go with your analysis, you don't really have to take the trade all the time. So that's why signals are sent for educational purposes, not something you should follow straight away. You look at the signals, go on the charts, check if it works with you, and if it does work with you, you can always enter the trade. And most of our trades usually are profitable. So that's why it's very important for us to really understand how the market really works. And if you want to be a profitable trader in future, you have to really understand how the market really works. You can't be relying on signals all the time. Now we're going to talk about support and resistance strategies. So basically, support and resistance strategy is the oldest strategy in the book. Basically, what it means is a resistance is basically a ceiling, and support is basically like a floor. A ceiling is where price it reaches and drops. A floor is where price reaches and rises up. So for example, right now, this was a resistance level for a euro of 1.1863. We can clearly see when price reached this level, it bounced back quite strongly. It dropped quite strongly. And as soon as the price tested the support level at 1.1811, we could see euro rising quite strongly. So this is what basically support resistance really means, right? So when a price at the lowest, buy. When the price is the highest, sell. That's the basic of support resistance. Again, if you do want to learn more about Suppprt Resistance and how Suppprt Resistance could be profitable for your strategy, you can always join VIP. We have a very extensive video, very extensive explanation on Suppprt Resistance. Plus, we do want to mentor call with our students, so you can always, you can always request a call, and we give you a call back, and we can explain you a bit more on Suppprt Resistance and how you can apply this strategy in your own trading plan. Again, guys, thank you so much for joining. If you have any questions today, you're more than happy to ask me now. Again, this video will be sent on YouTube, so you can always rewatch this video on YouTube. Please like, share, subscribe. And if someone out there does want to learn about trading, and you know a friend, a family member that wants to get into trading, please forward our YouTube videos to them. It might be beneficial for them. Also, ask them to join our VIP, because once they join our, sorry, not VIP, so join the free trial, so they can start, learning about trading from the free trial. And once they're happy, they can join VIP and start getting more trades. All right, guys, thank you so much.